Welcome back. This is a new lesson. You need to go to Google Chrome, playcode.org, start learning, but I have to sign in for now. And my name, then. And I'll continue lesson. It says unplugged activity. The big event. Ooh, this is unplugged activity. Oh, that's not. It's not there. Let me see for now. Sequencing done. Didn't mean it for it. Oh. It says this is game playlab level. Move blocks to the workspace and see what happens. Okay. Send the puppies when run. Send the puppies mode. Sorry. Mad. Let me see. Oh my gosh, puppy. I'm really happy. Oh, that's cute. Venus. I like the puppy laughing. Looks adorable. It says George the dog wants to say hi there. Can you help him? Wait 1 second. Score 1 point. Say hi there. There we go. Hello. Hi there. You finished. Now we're on lesson 4. Okay. This is help George the dog to get moving to conquer the. Okay. Make them move. Puppy. West way. Block to the when run event that is already in the workspace. Use the arrow keys to press yours to left. You finish the level. Alright, that was a long story. It says hi there, and then it needs to go this way when that arrow space. Okay, and when this, that means it will go this way. It will also go that way. Hi there. I'll just... It says hi there. Yeah. Down. Up is working. Oh, that was a funny dog. Look at that. You can look at that while I do it. Where I'm going? Where am I going? Puppies are flying. It says this is more interesting than challenging. Than the background and playing a random sound when George is clicked. When your code is ready, Click on George to try it out. Play. Hi there. It's getting interesting. Press is it background like that? No, it's harder. I need a hint. I will try. Ooh. What? My dog is lit. That's a cool hint. Dog is clear. Okay, doggy. That's it. I done it. I still need a hint. Here's the change the back. One more hint you need. A random. Hi there. Oh, that was it. It says hi there. When west is collect, move that west way, and when it's kicked back around. Oh man. Hey, free play anything this game answer appear when George runs to you. The dinosaur appeared? So puppy. Oh, so dinosaur. Hi there. I want to change. I want to get changed. Why don't the puppy sit on the dinosaur's head? And the puppy is in front of the dinosaur. That's right. So, food play. I need a hint. When it collides. They don't have any more hints. Let me just try. Wait, I didn't know there was much. No, like this. Let me just put it so vast. Oh, you know you're vast. Ah, puppy, where is he? Where is he? You're vast. You're vast and vanished. Screw on. Okay. Say hi there. Say this. Yeah, okay. Hi there. Okay. Hello, hi there. Okay. We finished lesson 12 mini project, and then it's time to say goodbye.